How to check call duration on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. From the panel at the bottom of the screen, tap on the Recents tab to view your call history. The Recents page displays a complete log of all your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls, sorted with the most recent ones at the top. Scroll through this list to find the specific call whose duration you wish to check. Once you find it, tap the blue information icon on the right side of that call entry. This action will open a detailed view for that specific call. Below the contact's name and the call type, you will find the exact duration of that conversation. Following these steps, you can easily check the duration of any past call on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.